we're taking this phone out for a spin. Good day, you beautiful people. Welcome to LAZADA Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I'm about to head out, and you guessed it, we're about to do a camera vlog test with the OnePlus 13. Now, this being OnePlus's flagship, I'm definitely excited to see how these cameras perform, especially considering that there is a LAZADA partnership, and that's a triple 50 megapixel shooting setup. Now, I've obviously had this device for a hot second, and I have been shooting with it. Obviously, these are very capable cameras, and I've gone to events shooting with only this phone, but I still want to do a vlog test. Why? Because first of all, this phone does 4K 60 on all cameras, including the selfie camera. So if that's any indication, I mean, I'm not going to be exporting this video on 4K 60, but if that's any indication of what these cameras can do, that means we're in for pretty powerful shooters. So without further ado, I'm going to go and shoot. This is 1x, 3x. Look at her, work it girl, I love it. 6x. And back to 1x. This is 1x, wide. 3 times zoom. Ooh, look at that. Looks good. And this is how far we really are. That skyline looks good. So you know how like when I go shopping, boyfriend has to wait out as I'm fitting clothes. Parang this is the guy alternative because he's fitting a bike. I think I love this dog. Now at dinner at the Taiwanese place we found, the errands are done. And that's it for today. Bike fit is done. Walking and talking. Now we're on to the second place because I guess it's gonna be a night out. $4K 30 low light. This is wide. 1x, 2x, 3x, and this is how far the optical zoom is. 6x, and you can zoom in up until 18x, and this is 18x right now. Back to 1x. So this phone has AI boost, and as you can see, we used AI to make that photo clearer. days later from when we shot the last photo. I'm not proud of it, but I did have a little too much fun the night we shot that vlog. And so I was meaning to continue on vlogging the next morning, but I was incapacitated. And so I will say that the battery on this phone did last me over a day. I logged 3 hours and 30 minutes of screen on time. Not bad. But I will also point out that, of course, this varies depending on your specific usage of the phone. This phone has, let me search. I know I have the spec sheet on here somewhere, but this has a global search feature, which means all I need to do is ask a random question on the search bar and it'll answer. So I have the spec sheet on this phone somewhere. Let's see. What is the battery capacity for the OnePlus 13? There you go. You see how with that prompt, it was able to pull in information from a document saved to the phone. That is good use of AI. And speaking of AI, this phone also has features like circle to search. I can ask about the screen. It'll tell me. What is the guitar in that photo?
The guitar in the photo appears to be a Yamaha FG 800, or a very similar model from the Yamaha FG series.
Yeah, so I stopped. I have no idea if that is a Yamaha guitar. Either way, there's AI on this. It does circle to search as well. Basically, all the fun features we are now seeing on Android flagships with Gemini. And speaking of AI, you saw last night, the other night when I was vlogging, that when I was zooming in, it was using AI for the zooms to make it better. And not only that, it has other photo AI features like AI and blur or AI detail boost. Then there's also AI reflection eraser. All pretty cool features to have on your phone, especially if your main shooter is your smartphone. So again, this is the front-facing camera of the OnePlus 13. We're shooting 4K. No zooming in or out. But as you can see, this is what that looks like. Now I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get comments saying, Isa, why do you keep on showing us like the different resolutions? You're not gonna export it in that resolution. Well, let me tell you, once upon a time, these phones could do different resolutions, but the colors won't match, or the look would be different, or how the videos were tweaked would just not be consistent across all resolutions. And so that's why I test these out to show you, even if of course I'm probably gonna export this in 4K and not 8K. And now just to show you, this is what my studio looks like right now. This is wide 4K on the rear camera, 30 FPS. It's a mess, don't mind it. But I want to show you the zooms. You can do 1x, 2x, 3x. So like we saw, this can do 3 times optical zoom, but you can go as far as 6x and even 18 times zoom. Obviously, I'm shooting in 4K 24 FPS on my camera, but on this phone it's 4K 30, back to wide, 1x. You can also shoot 8K 30 FPS, and this is what that looks like. No zooming in or out though on this mode. Ultra steady mode on wide with the rear camera is walking and talking. So headed out. I actually have nothing to do today, but I need to be outside so I can vlog and show you stuff. So I am tagging along. This guy's going swimming. Bro, the HDR on this, look at how white that is behind me. Look. And look at how it processes the photo. I love it. Water looks so good. This is my spot. Honestly, what a nice day. Ooh. By the way, now I've turned on sound focus. It should enhance the audio from me talking and suppress probably that little kid screaming. Right. Let's see. Mic test, mic test. This is how it sounds with sound focus. Turning off sound focus right now. This is how it sounds. And now turning it on again. This is what that sounds like. So just so I give you another sample, this is wide on 4K rear cameras, 1x, 2x, 3x, and as you can see 3x is pretty good. That's an optical zoom. 6x is not bad, and this can zoom up until 18x. This is what that looks like. Back to wide. Now on photo, it's the same thing pretty much. You can zoom up until like 3x or 6x and it looks pretty good. On photos, it does zoom up until 120x, and that's where the AI kicks in. I know it's not pink, but I'm still absolutely loving the look of this phone. By the way, it sort of reminds me of that orange Oppo Find X in like faux leather. I feel like it gives off that same classy vibe. Walking and talking with a front-facing camera. Anyway, I am leaving the pool and I'm gonna go do a little bike ride. And unfortunately, I can't take you guys because I'm not good enough a cyclist to be shooting and biking, so I'll see you later. Okay guys, I'ma go. I'll see you later. That was our camera vlog test with the OnePlus 13. Let me know what you guys think. Comment down below. Let me know what you would want to see me try out with this phone. And also, let me know what other phones you'd want me to shoot a vlog test with. That's it for today. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's IsaDoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time.